Thank you, Robert, for writing me this song. As the stars come up, our guards come down. Feel your hand on my shoulder, get closer and closer as we feel some open skies. Rolls rock and rolling mile by mile. Broken heart, I can't deny. Been lonesome, Lord, for quite a while. On a moonlit night, loving you, they turn out right. Take me to the light where the beat don't shadow bright. As we're standing like soldiers free, guarding the secrets we once gave. It's time the horses race from years in these simple days. Sweet magnolia scents so sweet, dance to the way of the summer breeze. It's like we breathe believe, but a winter clouds got me so deep. On a moonlit night, loving you when you turn out right. Take me to the light where the pain don't shadow right. On a moonlit night, loving you didn't turn out right. Take me to the light where the pain don't shadow right. On a moonlit night, loving you didn't turn out right. Take me to the light where the pain don't shadow right. On a moonlit night, loving you didn't turn out right. Take me to the light where the pain don't shadow right. Give it up for an Alamo Country Band. Thank you. Hilde, South Netherlands. Thank you.